Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to your TikTok bio. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and to add link to our bio, we can go to our profile. I'm going to click on this profile option and we're going to click on edit profile. Okay, to add link to the TikTok bio, we can go to the bio menu, and here you will be able to add the link to your bio. I have just copied a link to my clipboard, so I just need to paste the link. Okay, this is the link of my Instagram profile, and then after you have added the link to the bio, you can click on save. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my profile to check it. As you can see guys, that the Instagram link has been added to this bio. You can also go to the link section right here, and in the section you'll be able to add your other social media accounts such as Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, and Lemonade. And for instance, I'm going to add my YouTube link. Okay, and it will bring us to the YouTube. For example, I'm going to choose this YouTube account. Okay, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, as you can see guys, that my YouTube link has been added to the YouTube section, and I'm going to add my Instagram as well. I'm going to click on Instagram, and then we need to log in to our Instagram. Here you can add your username and your password, then you can log into your Instagram, and after that the Instagram account will be automatically added to your bio. And if you want to add your Twitter link, you can click on Twitter, and then you need to log into your Twitter as well. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that guys, and I'm going to go back to my profile, and as you can see that my YouTube channel or my YouTube link has been added to my TikTok bio. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add link to our TikTok bio. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.